Can't find a file you just downloaded on iPhone? Here's the 60-second fix. You can do this in different ways. The first one is for general downloads like documents or PDFs. Open the Files app on your iPhone. Tap the Browse tab at the bottom of the screen. Select Downloads. You'll find the Downloads folder under the Favorites section. This folder contains most files downloaded from the internet. Next one is for the files downloaded directly from Safari. Open Safari and tap on the two lines with the download icon in the search field. Tap the Downloads button to see a list of your recent downloads from Safari. Another one is for the downloaded photos and videos. Open the Photos app. Here, you can see the photos and videos that you download to your iPhone are typically saved here. And the last one is, if you still can't find your file, try other options. Check other folders. Downloads can sometimes be saved in other locations like on my iPhone, or specific cloud drives you've used. Or use the search function. You can search for the file's name directly within the Files app. Lastly, adjust Safari download settings. Go to Settings, tap on Apps, scroll and click on Safari. Next, change the default location option for files downloaded from Safari, and that's it. Follow and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.